Since 2011, we've made a lot of DIY recipes here on the Clean My Space channel. So in this video, I've collected 19 of my favorite, and you're just gonna see one after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and turn on that notification bell so you always know there's a bell shape when our videos come out. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like saving money making your own cleaning products. For this, you'll need water, dish soap, tea tree oil, and a clean spray bottle. Add 2 cups of water, 10 drops of essential oil, I'm using tea tree, and a teaspoon of dish soap. Close it up, give it a good shake, and there you go, an all-purpose cleaner that you can safely use almost anywhere in your home. For this recipe, you'll need distilled water, rubbing alcohol, and a spray bottle. To your spray bottle, add a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol and a 1/4 cup of distilled water. Now, because this spray bottle can hook onto my pants, I had to be a little dramatic. Spray the product onto your cloth, then wipe your electronic item, and you're done. All you're going to need is dish soap, white vinegar, and water, and of course a spray bottle. Start by adding 2 cups of water, a 1/2 cup of white vinegar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap. Shake it well, and now you have a hardwood floor cleaner. I like to use this one with a flathead mop. I just spray and then mop, going in the direction of the grain to reduce the appearance of streaks. For this recipe, you'll need hot water, hydrogen peroxide, washing soda, lemons, and a big bucket. Cut 2 lemons into chunks and add them to your blender. Then add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide to the blender and blend well until it becomes a slurry. Add hot water and the lemon slurry to the bucket and finish off by adding in your washing soda. Give it a quick stir and add in your garments that need to be bleached. Let them soak for 8 hours, rinse them, and launder as usual. To make this simple recipe, all you'll need is water, dish soap, essential oils, and a spray bottle. Add 2 cups of water to your spray bottle, then a teaspoon of dish soap, and follow that with 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Tea tree is a great option for countertops. Pop on the lid and use this to wipe up everyday spills and messes that occur in your kitchen. For this recipe, you'll need rubbing alcohol, water, essential oils, a clean spray bottle. To your spray bottle, add 1/2 cup rubbing alcohol, then add a 1/2 cup of water and 15 drops of thyme essential oil. Thyme is an excellent disinfecting essential oil. Give it a good shake and use this product as a mist after you've cleaned a surface with the appropriate cleaner to deal with any additional bacteria. For this recipe, all you'll need is a jug of white vinegar and your favorite essential oils. I love using lavender here, by the way. Just add 50 drops of your essential oils. Again, you can use a straight one or a combination, and bam, you've got yourself fabric softener. For this recipe, you'll need baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a small container, and a cleaning toothbrush. In your container, mix a half cup of baking soda and a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide. Give it a quick stir until it turns into a runny paste. Apply it to your grout with the cleaning toothbrush, leave it for a few minutes, and then scrub away. For this recipe, you'll need aloe vera gel, rubbing alcohol, a moisturizing oil, an essential oil, and a clean squeeze bottle. All you need is 1 part rubbing alcohol to 2 parts aloe vera gel. You're going to use 1 tablespoon of nourishing oil. Here I am using almond oil, and 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix the solution together in a clean squeeze bottle, and of course you can adjust the amount of rubbing alcohol to achieve your desired consistency. For this recipe, you'll need boiling hot water, white vinegar, dish soap, and a big bucket. Oh, and a double-sided squeegee. To your bucket, add 1 teaspoon of dish soap, 1 cup of white vinegar, and a gallon of hot water. Mix this up with your squeegee and then get to cleaning those stubborn, dirty outdoor windows. For this recipe, you'll need borax and white vinegar. You want to get a paste going here, so add about a half cup borax and about a quarter cup of white vinegar. Stir it till it gets nice and pasty, apply it to the area with mildew, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away with a clean cloth. You'll see your grout lines or any mildewy area comes perfectly clean. For this, you'll need water, white vinegar, cornstarch, and a clean spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water to your spray bottle. Shake it well and make sure you shake it each time you use it. That way you disperse the cornstarch. Spray on glass, wipe it off, and you'll see streak-free and nice and clean in no time. For this, you'll need white vinegar, water, baking soda, and a spray bottle. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, half a cup of water, and slowly add a half cup of white vinegar to a spray bottle. Once everything's settled down, you can give it a little shake in your spray bottle. When you're ready to wash your fruit, give it a good spritz. Clean it in your hands. You sort of want to rub that baking soda around and then rinse it in cool water and dry it with a towel. All you'll need is distilled water, colorless, flavorless vodka, citrus fruits and herbs, of course, use what you like, and a spray bottle. Add 1 cup of distilled water, add 1 cup of vodka, 1 cup of your favorite herbs, and 1 cup of chopped citrus peels. That makes it easier to put them in the bottle. The longer you let this combination sit, the better. So if you can leave this in a jar for 2 weeks, amazing. Then strain it out and pour it into a spray bottle. Shake it all up, spray, and your room will smell great. For this recipe, you'll need white vinegar, water, tea tree oil, and a clean spray bottle. To your spray bottle, add 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 20 drops of tea tree oil. Keep this spray bottle in your shower, and when you're finished getting nice and clean, simply spray your shower walls with the solution, and that will prevent soap scum from forming on the walls. For this recipe, you'll need dish soap, white vinegar, essential oils if you feel like it, and a clean spray bottle. Start by adding 1/2 cup of white vinegar, then add your essential oils, about 10 drops, and then 1/2 cup
of dish soap. Give it a quick shake and then take it to any soap scum infested areas. Give it a good spray with this product. Let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub it well with a sponge, rinse it, dry it, and you'll see that soap scum is gone. For this recipe, you'll need hydrogen peroxide, castile soap, water, baking soda, tea tree essential oil, a squirt bottle, and if you have stubborn toilet rings, you can use a pumice stone. To your squirt bottle, add 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup of castile soap, 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and 15 drops of tea tree essential oil. Shake it up well and then apply it to the inner rim of your toilet bowl. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then scrub it as you normally would. Flush your toilet and watch how nice and clean everything becomes. Now, if you do have those stubborn toilet bowl rings, that's when you can scrub with the pumice stone. All you'll need for this is distilled water, castile soap, almond oil, essential oils, and an empty soap pump. Add 1/2 cup of distilled water and 1/2 cup of castile soap, along with 1 tablespoon of almond oil, which is great for moisturizing, and 20 drops of your favorite essential oils, which will help the soap smell delightful. Shake it up in the bottle, and now you're ready to wash your hands. For this, you'll need castile soap, baking soda, orange essential oils, a cleaning toothbrush, and a small container. In your container, put 1/4 cup of castile soap, 1/2 cup of baking soda, and 20 drops of orange essential oils. Mix it well to create a paste and then apply it to your affected area. Let it sit for a few moments and then begin to gently scrub it with a sponge or a cleaning toothbrush. Rinse it well and dry the area. So those are 19 of my favorite DIY cleaning products, but I'd love to know in the comments down below, what are your favorite DIY cleaning products? Because maybe there's one that I haven't heard of before, or a recipe that I need to try, or that someone else needs to try. So the comment sections are all about sharing and caring. If you want to see what we're up to during the rest of the week, you can follow along on Instagram. I'm at Melissa Maker, Chad is at the Chad Reynolds. The two of us are at Clean My Space. If you like the Clean My Space channel and you want to support what we do, a great way to do that is just to watch another video right after this one. The YouTube algorithm loves that. And here are a couple that I think you might love. If you want to learn more about Maker's clean microfiber cloths, you can click this button right over here under Molly. There is a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.